Hey there, welcome to another video. My name's Roland and I'm your tutor. We've been doing congruency, we've been doing triangles, and now we'll be doing similarity. Now similarity is similar, play on words, to congruency. Congruency we represent with three lines, so an equal sign with an extra line above. However, similarity is slightly different. The rules are similar, but not exactly the same. And so let's just jump right into it. We've got two triangles that are similar if one triangle shares similar factors to the other. So it's supposedly a scaled version of the other triangle. So you might have a large triangle, and if you have, for instance, a right angle in the triangle, the other triangle will have shorter sides or longer sides in proportion to each other, and there'll need to be a 90-degree angle within the triangle. So we'll get into the details a little bit further on, but we just need to understand that it's very much the same as congruency. However, now we use three lines like the Wolverine claw, as if Wolverine was to, take his three claws and scratch the page downwards. So we use these three to indicate that two triangles are similar. There we go. I'll be drawing a triangle or a table next with a set of triangles to explain the rules that are related to similarity. Rightus titus. Now we have the rule, the description, and the diagram. Here we have our first rule. It's the AAA or AAA rule, where we say angle, angle, and angle. Basically, if the two triangles have the same set of angles, then they will be similar. However, the lengths of the sides will be proportionately different. So if you have an angle, three angles in a triangle where you have one side being AB, being the, let's say for instance, the hypotenuse, and it's, let's say, 10 centimeters long, then you have another triangle with 5 centimeters long being the hypotenuse, and all the other sides are half the length of the first triangle. Then you've got similar triangles. So if three pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are said to be similar. Let's draw a quick diagram or two over here on the right hand side. Here you have it. You've got your first triangle. Your second triangle, as you can see, I've drawn it slightly larger, almost double the size, I'd say. Let's label the triangles angles with A, B, and C. Let's use D, E, and F as the next angles. As you can see, the likes of AC and DF are proportionately the same, or in terms of extended lengths, as the likes of BA and ED. Your angle small letters A, B, C need to be the same size as angles D, E, and F. So as you can see, I've labeled the A and the D with hats on top, showing that they are the same angles. Now I've use the capital letter A, as I generally like to use the capitals. However, in this particular set of diagrams, you should be actually using the lowercase letters. It doesn't really make a big difference, but when you're in a test, it's kind of important to focus on the fact that the angles are labeled differently to the points. So let's just move forward. We've got the angle A equal angle D, B and E, C and F, and we say that therefore the triangle ABC with the Wolverine claw for similarity is similar to the triangle DEF. Lovely. Our next rule is the Sss rule, where we have a side-side-side relationship. Now, if we have all three pairs of corresponding sides that are of the two triangles, they must be in proportion, right? Then we say that there is similarity between the triangles. How do we write similarity? Well, we use the Wolverine three-claw method, that is vertical up and down. There's our first triangle, and there's our second triangle. As you can see, it's a very similar shape. However, it's a lot smaller than the top triangle. Let's label it. We'll say MNO, and we'll say RS and T. So what we can say is MN over RS is the same as saying ML over RT. And therefore we say NL over ST is all the same. So basically the left hand side of both triangles over each other should have the same ratio as the right hand side as well as the bottom side. Therefore all triangles are, or both triangles are similar. We say triangle MNL is similar to triangle RST. If you see any errors in the video, please let us know in the comment section below. I think I might have just spotted one before. So, just take note, the order of the letters is very, very important. If you write the order incorrectly, it will change the total meaning of the triangle and you'll end up losing marks. So, always label the diagrams correctly, and when you're talking about similarity, make sure to put your letters correctly in order and you'll stay away from any issues in terms of penalties from teachers. So make note of that, take note, and make sure to get the high marks. We're going to put that in a bubble, and that's all for today. Easy game.